So right now let's check out the Zeekr 009. So it's marketed as a premium luxury MPV under the Zeekr brand. So first impression, if you look at this Zeekr 009, right, it's about the size of a Kia Carnival. Okay, it's a very long and low slung MPV. It's not the boxy type like the Toyota Alphard. Okay, the proportion is something around the Estima Kia Carnival kind of design, but this car is very huge and the design also very daring. So I'll bring you one by one. Let's start with the front design first. So this is following the Zeekr's family design. You find this in the Zeekr X as well, whereby the LED daytime running lights is mounted on the top. The main beam is a LED projector is under on the bottom. There's a vent, it's a functional vent to channel the air to the tires to cool down the brakes. Alright, so the front grille right here, because this particular unit is in black color, so as you can see the chrome lines right there is very pronounced. If you get this kind in white color, right, the chrome lines is not as apparent. So it sort of gives people the illusion of it's a Rolls Royce. Alright. So as you can see, the Zeekr badge is finished in black. It's same with the body color to give it a very low profile look. But in reality, if you see this car in public, you will think this car is a Rolls Royce MPV. Okay, it looks very nice. So down there, there's a ADAS system as well as a 360-degree camera. Up there, there's a video recorder. Basically, it comes with a built-in dash cam. Okay, it's a very huge MPV if you look at the side profile right here. Okay, so for the tires, because this car is marketed as a EV, it's an EV MPV, so the tires they're using is a Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires. Okay, it's a multi-spoke. It's finished in 20-inch. Okay, which is crazy. It's 265 45 20-inch tire. Okay, so the tire replacement cost will be rather costly given that it's a Michelin. As you can see, it has a front quarter windows to clear the blind spot, and it's rather curved. It's not as straight as the Toyota Alphard. Okay, so this is some unique design details, and the whole car actually comes with a lot of cameras, including the side pillars right here, side mirrors, as well as the housing of the side mirrors. So it gives you a 360 safetyness. Okay, because Zeekr is sort of similar to Volvo. Okay, they focus on safety, and this car in China actually has a sister car which is the Volvo EM90. The platform is shared with this Zeekr 009. Okay, both are full-size MPV. Okay, which can accommodate 6 to 7 people very comfortable. Okay, so this is a full-size MPV. Of course, it has a powered sliding door for both sides. Okay, if you open this power door, the charging port cannot be opened. Okay, or if the charging port is open, the power sliding door will not operate until you close it. So here's the rear look of the Zeekr 009. Okay, it has a sequential signal indicators as well as the LED tail lights. As you can see, the 3D design of it looks very nice, and the Zeekr badge is mounted inside of this clear lens. Okay, the presentation of the rear, I would say, looks very good. Okay, here's a reverse camera. Okay, it mounted on a very awkward way in my opinion. There's another camera right here as well. So to pop open the power boot, you need to locate a lever, a buttons. Okay, the power door is very huge, so if you park in those mid-valley, you need to park head in, otherwise you cannot open the power tailgate. So the space is more or less like the Toyota Alphard. Okay, because if you have 6 or 7 people on board, this space is left with not much, but it's finished in very high quality sweat material as well as a roof lining. This is some premium material only you can see in Bentley or even Rolls Royce. Down here you have some storage space and the emergency triangle. Okay. As you can see, the tailgate length is very long. So the party piece of this car is really the middle row. So I'll show you first. You just pull it gently, the sliding door will be open. And the floor to the ground is not as tall, so you can easily get in. So here there's a button for you to give you easy access to the third row seats. So here's the captain seats. So to close it, just like Rolls-Royce, you just press the button right here. So legroom, no need to measure, is very spacious. So here is for you to control the middle seats. Alright.
Let's listen to Fanxin.
This is a relaxed mode for Zeekr 009. Here's to adjust the massage seat. The middle.
I don't get it. Please say it again.
The middle two seats gets the massage function. Here you get the seat ventilation. Here is for you to adjust the leg rest. Here there's 4 more buttons. So this one is to adjust the seat position. This is to move back. Right here, because it's a luxury MPV, so obviously it comes with a table. Okay, the table is for you to do makeups. Something like a Toyota Alphard executive lounge. Here you get a cup holder with the ambient lighting. Up here there's a television and a reading light. Ambient lighting around the car, and this aircon vents, very premium, and a reading light. So it has Yamaha speakers. As you can listen, the sound quality is very good. And there's a second sunroof for the back passenger. It's a panoramic type. Here you can adjust the temperature. Here it has a chiller box to chill your Coke. You can heat it. You can adjust the temperature. Just press it. Inside you can heat or cool the drinks up to -6 degrees Celsius. 2 USB Type-C port. There's a handle for you to easily get out from the car. So here's the front seat of the Zeekr 009. Okay, typical Chinese EVs, 2 screens, and the steering wheel for this car need to adjust using the screen right here. As you can see, the touchscreen, the resolution is much better than the Toyota Alphard. So you can adjust the air suspension height. This car comes with air suspension. Here's the meter. Okay, display very minimal information, which is good. You do not need too much information for the main meter. Just need a speed, the range, GPS, as well as the car condition. Steering wheel, very simple. Okay, wrapped in leather. Gear knob, electronic shifter, and there's a remote control for the back TV. USB Type-C. So because this car is an EV, so basically they do not need the bonnet to occupy the engine. Hence here there's a front for you to put your charging cables. And here is to add your wiper washer. Okay. So this is a very short walk around video about this 2024 Zeekr 009. Okay, luxury MPV. Okay, I think in the future there will be more EV MPV entering to the Malaysia market. So we will see how they compete. And this kind of MPV will actually impact the sales of the maybe the Toyota Alphard or the Kia Carnival, Hyundai Staria, all sorts of MPV. So it's a good thing that there's more China MPV coming in to give the consumer in Malaysia more choices. So signing off, I apologize because the crowd is quite many, so I'll try my very best to film what I can for you about the Zeekr 009 as well as the Zeekr X. So if you have any comments, you can comment down below and let me know what you think about these two cars. Okay, be sure to subscribe, like and share my videos if you like my walk around series. I'll definitely film the test drive or a more detailed review if I gotten the chance. Alright, so see you in my next video. 3, 2, 1, cheers.